Today we are going to prepare roasted chicken. This recipe is very simple with few ingredients. You can choose your favorite herbs. I'm going to use parsley, basil and coriander. We start chopping the basil. We proceed to chop the parsley and coriander. We place all the herbs in a bowl. We chop the garlic cloves. You can chop it either finely or you can smash to create a paste and will easily mix with the other herbs. You add the cold butter, cut it in cubes, to the herbs. You add salt to the herbs and also to the chicken inside and outside, and we start to place the herbs below the skin of the chicken. We add also herbs inside the chicken and we introduce the lime inside the chicken. We are going to cover the skin with butter and Dijon mustard to make it even tastier and crispy. And our chicken is ready to go to the oven at 180 degrees, and after 45 minutes is ready to enjoy.